Hello friends, welcome back. This is exercise 8.2 and its second question and first part. Now we will solve multiple choice question and we have also to justify our answers. So let's solve it. So first one is 2 10 30. 2 10 30. I suggest you firstly remember the trigonometric table. Remember the trigonometric table, then it will be easy for you. And 1 plus tan square 30. Tan square 30 degree. So we will solve it. 2 into what is the value of tan 30? What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 30. So it will be 1 by root 3 and its whole square. And 2 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3. 3 1 3 1 4. So 2 by root 3 upon 4 by 3. Now we will solve further. 3 2 is 6. 6 upon 4 root 3. Now we will reduce it. 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. It comes out as 3 by 2 root 3. And now we will also rationalize it. So into root 3 upon root 3. 3 root 3 upon 2 into 3 equal to 6. So it will be 3 1 ja and 3 2 ja. What it comes out as finally? It comes out as root 3 by 2. So in the following option, whose value is root 3 by 2? You can easily say, if you remember the table, you can easily say it is sine 60 degree. So this one is correct. Now let's move ahead. Second one, 1 minus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45 and 1 plus tan square 45. Now 1 minus, what is the value of tan? It is 1. 1, we will do square of 1, it will be 1, and 1 plus 1 and its whole square, it will be 1 minus 1 equal to 0 upon 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 0 by 2. Now you can say that 0 by 2 equal to 0. So what its values come? D1. D comes out its value. Now we will solve further. The correct answer is D. So let's move ahead. Third, sine 2a equal to 2 sine a is true when a equal to, in which case the statement can be true. In which case this statement can be true. Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a. In which case, by substituting, we will substitute one by one all these values, all these options we will substitute. We will substitute we will substitute all options. We will substitute all options. So sine 2 into 0 equal to 0. So firstly 2 into 0 equal to 0 and 2 sine 0. So sine 0 is, what is the value of sine 0? What is the value of sine 0? Value of sine 0 is 0 and 2 into sine 0. So 2 into 0 equal to 0 equal to 0. In this case, it is correct. It is correct. So first option is correct. If first of it is not multiple correct, so first one is correct. We have no need to find another one. And now let's move ahead. One. I have not written all the options of fourth. So firstly, I will write the options. So its first option is cos 60. Second option is sin 60. The third option is tan 60. And the fourth option is sin 30. Sin 30 degree. Now we will solve. So 2 tan 30. 2 tan 30. 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30. So what is the value of tan 30? 2 into what is the value of tan 30? Is tan 30 is 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 and its whole square. What it comes out as 2 upon root 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. Root 3 into root 3 equal to 3. So 3 1 ja 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So 2 root 3 upon 2 by 3. Now what it comes out as 3 2 ja 6, 6 by 2 root 3 and 2 3 ja 6. It comes out as 3 by root 3. It comes out as 3 root by root 3. Now we will rationalize it. So root 3 upon root 3. It comes out as 3 root 3 upon 3. 3 3 cancelled out. Finally what it comes out as root 3. Now we have to identify whose value is root 3. Whose value is root 3. So tan 60 value is root 3. Tan 60 value is root 3. Now question number second has been solved. So third will be in next video. So thank you.